Now that our movie is complete, let's explore ways to make it available. TilBuci is an online tool, so its content can be available for access while you are assembling it, if you want. In the Setup left menu, you can check your system settings. Here you can set the movie index. This is the main movie of your TilBuci installation. When you edit content, you access your TilBuci with the /editor route, but when accessing without this, the visitor is redirected to the /app route and the movie index is opened. But there are other ways to make your creations available. Access the left menu Exchange to see the options. For our quiz, we'll use Export as a PWA, which is a way to create websites that behave like apps on different systems like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. PWAs can either be accessed directly from a browser or installed from within it, without the need for app stores. When installed, PWAs can even be accessed without an internet connection, in offline mode. And the process of updating the content of installed PWAs is simple and straightforward. When you select PWA from the Exchange menu, you see the Export configuration window with some explanations. The first value to adjust is the name of the app. TilBuci uses the name of your movie by default. The second is a short name, up to 12 characters, that some systems use next to the app icon. The third is the main language of the content. You can indicate your own or use the one suggested by the system. You'll also need to provide an icon for your app. We'll see how to do that shortly. Next, you must indicate the export method. You can either generate the PWA within your own TilBuci installation or generate a zip file with all the necessary content to be sent to a website from where you want to make your creation available. Finally, you must indicate the address where the PWA will be hosted. If it is created within your own TilBuci, this information is filled in automatically. If it is generated as a zip file, indicate the URL from which it will be accessed. Important: PWAs only work from secure HTTPS URLs. Let's close the window without exporting the PWA for now and open the movie properties. First, let's fill in the About the Content field. Although it is not mandatory, it can be used by some systems. To define the icon, click on the Select button just below favicon. In the Picture Manager, choose an image in PNG format. It must be exactly 512 by 512 pixels in size. Returning to the properties, save the movie. Now we can return to exporting the PWA. Note that the icon field is now filled in. Choose the export method, click on Export PWA App and wait. This process may take some time depending on the size of your movie. When finished, you will receive a completion message according to the method you chose. If it was within your own TilBuci installation, the process is complete and now you just need to access the indicated address. If you generated a zip file, check the contents of the download. All of these files must be uploaded to the URL from which the PWA will be made available. Now you just need to access the URL of your PWA. Notice that, in the browser bar, the option to install the content as an app now appears. After installation, simply access the app like any other. You can test it in some other browsers as well. The same goes for mobile systems. Usually the app installation is offered as soon as the URL is accessed. If this does not happen, simply select Add to Home Screen from the browser menu. When you need to update your PWA, simply repeat the process, exporting in the same way and following the same procedure. The app's content will be updated and even those that were installed will receive the new version. Events continue to be sent normally from the PWA. If access is offline, generated events are stored for sending as soon as an internet connection is detected. This concludes the process of creating a quiz game in TilBuci. The software offers many other features, but what we saw in this video already provides a lot of information so that you can develop your own ideas. TilBuci is a free, open-source tool for creating interactive content. Learn more about it at tilbuci.com.br.